So today's art project included sketching a live event and adding watercolor to it, sax player, at an anniversary for the American Academy of Nursing, some of the dignitaries, the presenter on whose behalf I am here, him again lecturing to the crowd, some of the table guests and others, including the husband of our guest of honor, some of the entertainment, and more. He's actually a nurse at MCV, or actually I don't know his exact title there. And then the after party. I get to do fun things. All right, so now comes the fun part. Seeing the sketches in the book, and now I have to translate all of those, almost all of those, into a single painting. So the idea is around a table, we've got our guest speaker, who's the commissioner of the art, his friend, the sax player, and then important people in his life, particularly in regards to this organization. That's the word I was looking for. So I think best is to start. So we've got one individual here. Yeah, this is good. It's going to be tough to do what needs to happen here. Because I've already established a price for this before I started working on it. And since my work is size priced, yeah, already I think I want to slide her down a little bit. So I've got my sketchbook right here. Yeah, these are the two. So there, yeah, here. And then this friend in front. Oh, this is going to be tough, folks. But I do want to get you to see a little bit of how this gets put together while I'm talking about it. Sorry for the flip through. Here we go, back to this one. Okay. So there's this table, which I'm going to have to make considerably smaller. this down a little bit. She's leaning in. She's photographing. Ken is and our sax player so she's photographing. So the client wanted me to somehow include myself, but I don't see how that's going to work. Yeah. Let's get Carl. Sorry, I'm not talking much. So now I'm trying to lay in this next figure. Yeah, that'll work. Our friend in pink here, leaning in. Which is great because she's actually taking notes and that'll bring me back across the page. Oh, actually, yeah, that'll help. And then the photograph can be happening a little bit behind her. That takes up that space. All right, you probably can't make any of that out. So you've got here, so these four figures are going to be right here, these four. And then, where did I go? These two figures right here are here and here. This figure, she repeats right here. This figure is going to be here gesturing. Our sax player is here, and then our master of ceremonies. So we've got both this line sketch, which I never laid color in, but he's going to be here, and that's another version with him looking out over the crowd. So that's sort of how I put them all together. The table will be very truncated, and I had an idea about how to include myself, but I don't think it's going to work. So I've been working on these ideas and trying to solidify this piece for a week and a half, 2 weeks. So, you know, a lot of art making happens in one's head before one ever gets to the page. But I still like to, this is the sketch. There is no preliminary sketch, obviously. There are notes, what I was just showing you, but the actual painting will transpire here. So I'm going to switch over to time lapse for a while as I try to massage this thing into existence, let you kind of see that happen in a much more rapid and a little less laborious than listening to me talk. But so you can see where we're going, and hopefully we'll get there in the end. All right, that's as far as I've gotten it today. Just give you sort of a closer look of this mayhem that will become a painting, although it may remain mayhem laden. There's a lot of mixing and color balancing yet to go, things to be refined, areas to be solved. But I would encourage you to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and set the notifications so you can see this painting as it continues to develop. This is a commissioned artwork. You can reach out to me through my website, greigleach.com, if you want to consider doing a piece for yourself. As always, thank you so much, and please leave a thumbs up and check back to see how this painting gets on. Thank you, I do appreciate it.